What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I am Stevie the Military Biker. Today I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do a step-by-step install of how to install the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam LED low profile saddlebag lights for my 2021 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. Alright, let me show you what comes in the kit. Obviously you get the two actual saddlebag lights themselves with the cables on the end. You get some alcohol wipes, some zip ties with the connectors that are going to go onto your saddlebags, and a BCM adapter should you need it. Now these come with a lifetime warranty, as all Custom Dynamic stuff does, and it obviously is plug and play again, which all Custom Dynamics LED lights are. So they also these come in red or smoke. I went for the smoke just to keep with the theme of the back of the bike. Okay guys, so all you're going to need to do this job is a set of pliers, a screwdriver or a sort of cross Phillips screwdriver to take your seat off, and a pencil to mark where you would like to put the lights on the back of your saddlebags. Let's go! Alright, so the first thing you want to do is obviously remove your seat, remove your backrest if you've got one fitted, and obviously the strap that runs over there, you need to take that off to take the seat off. So just take your seat off. Pretty simple really, first step. Okay guys, so as you can see we're at the back of the bike, and I have got one of the LED bag lights in my hand. Now the good thing about these is they are tapered at the back, so it fits on really well. There's only one way you can fit it on to the back of the bike, and that is obviously the way that you want to. For instance, on this one, this is, as you're looking at the bike, this is the left hand side one, and it is tapered downwards obviously for the bags, and the wires need to be going on the right hand side of the bag, so it goes down the side of your bag once you get the cable ties and whatever. Once you took the bag off and fitted the cable ties, run the wire down the side straight towards your connectors on the underneath the seat, like so. So that is most definitely the left hand one, and again the same with the right hand one. Just make sure, as you can see on this side, probably better, you can see it there. And as you can see, that fits really well underneath the lid of your saddlebag. Now you want the lid to be about you want a gap in there about 1 millimeter, maybe 2 millimeters. So obviously it's not knocking every time you open your saddlebag, and of course you don't want it to be interfering with the saddlebag lid at any point. So just when you're happy which side is going to go where, this is where you're going to use the alcohol wipe. Alright, so just open up your bag. I'm going to do this side first. Open up your bag and give it a good old wipe down with the alcohol rub provided. That just gets rid of all the grime, any dust particles or anything like that could potentially interfere with the 3M tape that are on the back of the lights. So while you're here, you might as well do the other one. That's done then. And then just let it dry and then come back to it. Okay, so at this point, this is where you need your pencil to mark where you want the lights to go. Alright, so just fit them on where you think, again, making sure that it's smack bang in the middle either side, and then just leave a little millimeter gap under there, potentially 2 meters, 2 meters, that'd be huge, 2 millimeters, and make sure, yep, make a little bit of a gap, and then just make a little mark under there, so you know where the lights are going to go, as you can see. And then all you do is take the 3M stickers off the back of or the paper, the plastic covering off the back of the 3M stickers, and then make sure you level it up nice and level when you put it back onto the bike. and just press it down. Don't go mad, you don't need to. All right, just press it down, make sure, and then just open up your lid to ensure that there is your gap that you want, and obviously give it a close like so. Oop, the cable's in the way. Make sure the cable's out of the way. And there you have it, guys. It's not touching, the lid is not touching the light on the back there, so job done. Stage 1 done. And this is obviously the same for the other side of the saddlebag, so I will just show you how to do it on one side, and it's exactly the same on the other side to put it on. And now what we have to do is we take the saddlebag off, and then we're going to run the wires down the side of the saddlebag, and then put the saddlebag back on and secure the cable in. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, I've put the little attachments down in and zip tied them on. The cable is a bit loose, so I would recommend, which I'm going to do shortly, is just putting some tape over the bits that aren't tied down. Just put some electrical tape or whatever over it. Just adds to secure the wire. And then once you're happy with where the placements are, just obviously snip off the extra bits off the zip tie without grabbing hold of the cable. Jeez. Like that. And then, like I said, I'm going to put some tape on this just to keep this wire down a little bit more. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have put the saddlebags back on, and I have also threaded the wires underneath through the frame for the saddlebag lights. Okay, so there you can see both of them there coming out of underneath of the frame, as you can see right there. Okay, so one coming through this side, one coming through the other side, and what we need to figure out now is which side is which. So we're going to do that now. As you can see, I have got the Custom Dynamics splitter in there, which actually gives me rear running lights on my turn signals, as well as obviously turn signal indicators. So I'm going to show you guys now on that as well. It comes your Custom Dynamics plug and play kit. So as you can see right there, these guys are going to go into those guys, but we need to figure out which is left and which is right. That being said, if you do not have one of these, then obviously in the kit comes the BCM splitter, and as you can see, that just would normally go into the back of the bike here, where your rear running light cable connector is. So you would just simply plug this into that, and then obviously your lights for your bag lights would then obviously plug into these two little white things, like connectors. Okay guys, so on your bag lights, all right, you've got 3 wires on each. Okay, one of them is yellow, one of them is black, and one is purple, and on the other one yellow, black and brown. The purple one goes to the left saddlebag. Okay, so this one here is for the left saddlebag, and on your actual cables underneath the bike as well, you will see purple and brown. So you want to put purple to purple and brown to brown, like so. And then all you want to do is go check that they're actually working correctly. Okay, so what you want to do is, once you have connected all your stuff up, obviously turn on your ignition on your bike, like so, and you will see awesomely that they are now both lit up. So let's make sure that we've got them the right way around. So I'm going to right signal, perfect, and left signal, and there you go guys. Spotty dog. And obviously while you're there, because they are sequential, we want to check our brake lights as well. Bang! Look at that. Now I am lit up like a Christmas tree. Once you're happy, turn off your ignition and tidy the cables up, and then put your seat back on. There you go guys, that's how easy that job is. If I can do it, you can do it. And as you can see there, I have now got the ProBeam LED saddlebag lights fitted to my 2021 Street Glide Special, and it looks awesome, it really does. It took, the job time was probably 30 minutes maybe to get that on, and it's pretty simple. Like I said, if I could do it, you can do it. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you got any constructive criticism, please leave it below in the comments. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. If you did like the video, like I said, give it a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing to the channel. It helps us grow. And I'll see you on the next video, whenever that may be. Take it easy, stay safe wherever you're around the world, and remember, you'll never walk alone.